Feels a little colder. Thursday, July 3rd, Seaside Park Ocean updates. Oh, I'll set out the back before I even do the temperature. Definitely still rideable. Water temperature this morning, 67.2. Waves are looking 1 to 2.5 foot. There's your 2.5 foot wave right there. We got a low tide coming up at 8:21. West wind this morning. A couple of flies on the beach, nothing crazy. And yeah, it's going to be this whole 4th of July weekend is supposed to be an epic beach weekend. Really good longboard waves this morning. You mess around with smaller boards, it's harder to, you won't get as many waves. But yeah, look for fun waves this morning, clean. Still waves this afternoon, just with a south wind on it. And absolutely awesome beach weather. That's the update.